Yeah, welcome to Stephen's Academic Training Center. I want us to do mathematics under mensuration. As you can see here, I have a topic called mensuration mathematics, and this is both paper 1 and paper 2 topic. Good. So we'll talk about the first item here, the perimeter and area of a plane figure shape. So we'll talk about the perimeter. A perimeter is the distance around the given shape. So we'll talk about the perimeter. I say that the perimeter is the distance around a given shape, or the length around a given shape. So the first shapes here we have rectangles and the squares. Hey? So talk about a rectangle. This is a diagram of a rectangle. As you can see here we have length. This is our length. We call this one is our length. This is our length given by L. This is what? B breadth. Hey? So this is breadth given by B. Then so this is length and this is length. This is breadth and breadth. So the two sides here, this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. Then here, as you can see, the next shape here is what? It's a square. So a square, it has got all sides equal, all four sides equal. So this is length, and also length. So all the four sides are equal. Are together? Yes. So now listen. We'll talk about the area of the square. We say area is equal to, so you multiply L times L, so you multiply L times L. So L times L, so L is equal to what? Area is equal to what? Length times length is L squared. So this is a formula for the area of the square. Then talk about the perimeter. Since I said that the perimeter is the distance around a given shape. So which means we're going to add. So you say P, which is perimeter, is equal to, we add length plus length plus length, which means this, so L plus L plus L plus L for Ly, which is so L plus L 2L plus L 3L plus L 4L. So 4L. So this is a formula for the perimeter of the square. You just add L plus L plus L plus L. So for example, if you have a number here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 to give us 8. Good. Then now we go to the rectangle. So if you want to find the area of the rectangle, you just multiply. You say area is equal to, you multiply. This is our length, right? So length times the breadth. So which means we say L times B. So the area of B is equal to LB. This is a formula for the area of the what? Rectangle. Then how do you find the perimeter of the rectangle? Which means we need to add. So you say perimeter is equal to, you add. This is L plus A, right? Yes. So we say L plus L, then plus, again we have B plus B, which is a B plus B. All together? So perimeter is equal to, so L plus L, 2L. We have 2L, then plus B plus B, 2B. We have 2B. Then from here you can factorize. So it means we're going to have perimeter is equal to 2 open brackets L plus B like this. Since 2 is common, so we put 2 outside the bracket. Then now we remain with L plus B. So this is a formula for the perimeter of the rectangle. So don't forget, perimeter you add the distance around the given shape. Then area you multiply the side. All together? Good. So we go to the triangle, which is the right angle triangle. So as you can see, here this is a triangle. We have this is a base, can be base from here to here. It's my base here and my height here. So this is base times base and height. Even here, this is my height. This is my base here from here to here. All together? That's my base. Then again here, this is base, and this is height. Clear? So this is the right angle triangle. So if you want to find the area of the right angle triangle, you say area is equal to 1/2 BH. So it means you multiply half times the base times the height. You please take note, you don't get this side. This side is called hypotenuse. So you don't get this side. All together?
Yes, sir.
So in finding area, you multiply 1/2, which is 1/2, times base, this base, times the height, Then you get the final answer. Clear?
Yes.
Then we've got the first example here. The question reads, in the diagram, ABC is a right angle triangle, or is a right angle triangle, which is the ABC. So there's 90 degree here. Good. And BPQR, this shape inside here, is a rectangle. So as you can see, we have 6 centimeters, which is 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Then we have 2.5 here, and also here 2.5. Then there's also an extra information here down, which says AR. So AR is equal to BR. So it means this side is equal to this side. So here, this is what? 6 side. Which means even here there is a 6 centimeters. Altogether, which means from here to here is 12. Then again, and BP is equal to PC, which means here there's 2.5, right? Which means even here there's 2.5. So when you add 2.5 plus 2.5 is what?
5.
Is 5. So it means the length here is
5
centimeters, and here is what? 12 centimeters, right? Good. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12, right?
Yes.
Good. Then the first question reads, calculate the perimeter and area of BPQR. So they want us to find the perimeter and the area of the shaded shape, this shape. So they are going to do it. We're going to do this. We're going to say the perimeter is the distance around a given shape. It means we're going to add. We'll add 6 plus 2.5 plus 6 plus 2.5. So say the perimeter is equal to, so add what and what? 6 plus this 6 again, plus 2.5 plus 2.5, right?
Yeah.
So we add. So perimeter is what?
17.
So 17 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of the shape BPQR, right? Then now we find also the what? The area. So area is equal to, since this shape is what? A rectangle. So multiply. So it's a area is equal to L times B. All together. So area is equal to, so multiply. What's our length here?
6.
Is 6 times 2.5, the breadth side. So it means area is equal to, we find the answer here. What the answer?
15.
So 15. Don't forget the sign for area is squared. So centimeter squared. All together, this will be our area. All together? Good. Then now go to the next question, which says the perimeter and area of the triangle. So they want to find the perimeter, this perimeter of the triangle. So first to find the perimeter, first since this side from here to here we have what? From here to here we have 12, and from here to here we have what?
5.
We have 5. So now we need to find this what? Length. All together?
Yes. So
I will try to just come up with a simple sketch of the shape. So it will be like this. Like this. So this 6 plus 6, 12 here. 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. So now I'll try to find this one, which is x. All together? Yeah. So which form are we going to use here? We're going to use Pythagoras what? Theorem. So this will be our AI, hypotenuse side. So we say a squared equal to b squared plus c squared. All together?
Yes.
Good. Then now we substitute our a squared is the hypotenuse, which is xi. So x squared is what? We can get 12 square plus 5 square. So x square is what? So you add 12 square is 144 plus 5 square 25. Good. Then we continue. Our x square is what?
169.
What?
69.
169. Then you put a square root. So which means the x is what?
13.
13 centimeter. Which means our AC side AC is what? 13 centimeters. All together?
Yes.
Good. Now, we follow the question. The perimeter and area of the triangle. So, when find the perimeter, we're going to add.
Yes.
So, perimeter is equal to, so into add. So, we add 12 plus 5 plus 13. So, we add 12 plus 5 here plus 13. So, perimeter is what? 30 centimeters. All together?
Yes.
Good. Then now we find the what?
Area.
The area. The area again, on this question, in fact. The area is what? So this is the area of the triangle. So it's the area is equal to
1/2.
Area is equal to half BH, right?
Yes.
So which is 1/2 times the base from here to here is what?
12.
Is 12 times the height is 5. All together?
Yes.
Then multiply on the calculator. 1/2 times 12 times 5. What's the answer?
30.
So area is equal to 30 centimeters squared. These are the answers for this first part of the question. Yeah, so the next part is parallelogram. So this is the shape. As you can see, the area of the parallelogram is given by the formula. Area is equal to base, which is this is a base, times the height. So the base times the height is a base. It's the base times the height. So don't forget, area is equal to base times height. All together? Base times height. Good. Then now, of an example here. The diagram shows the parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD with sides 17 centimeters. As you can see, of 17, and also this one 17 because the lines are parallel. This is called parallelogram. And height 12 centimeters. So from here to here is 12 centimeters. Find its area. So they wanted to find the area. So since we know that area is equal to B times H, base times height. So area is equal to, so what's our base?
17.
Base is 17. 17 here, even here 17 centimeters. So it says 17 times the height
12.
is 12. So you multiply. So area is what?
204.
204 centimeter squared. So this is the area of the shape. Then go to the next shape, which is trapezium.
Yes.
So as you can see, the trapezium is like this. So in short, we have two diagrams for trapezium. The first one is like this, the same, which is drawn here. We have height here. We have A, the side A. From here to here is our A. Then our B, the side B is from here to here as well. All together. Then the other diagram is like this. It's like this. The other side is this straight here, perpendicular. Then we have here like this. My drawing is very bad. Okay. Good. So like this. So this is our A from here to here, and our B from here to this end, and our height here. So this is also part of a trapezium. Good. So the area of the trapezium is given by the formula. Area is equal to half times the sum of parallel what sides times height. So it means our area of the trapezium is given by area is equal to 1 over 2 open bracket a plus b close bracket height. So you need to know this formula, very important. So our a is this side on top here, our b this side, and the height is this one, the perpendicular height. So don't forget the formula for the trapezium. All together? Good. Then go to the next part, which is the example now under trapezium. Example under trapezium. So the question says, the diagram below shows the trapezium PQRS in which the parallel sides are of 7 centimeters and also 10 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. Then they want us to find what? The area. So find the area. So they want us to find the area. Good. So since we know that area is given by area is equal to 1 over 2 a plus b, then height. What's the formula for the area? Good. So we substitute area is equal to 1 over 2. So our a is what? 7. So get 7 here. Plus our b is what? 10. It's 10. 10. Then our height is what? 4. All together? So we can try to solve before using the calculator. 1 over 2. 7 plus 10. 17. Then times 4 here. So it means you multiply 1 over 2 times 17 times 4. Remember, brackets means multiplication. So 1 over 2 times 17 times 4. So our area is equal to what?
34.
34 centimeter squared. This is the area of this shape. Hope it's very much clear. So before we go to circle, we have what we call the cube. The cube. I'll try to draw. The cube, it has got all sides equal. It has got all sides equal. This is a cube, right? A cube. Cube. So a cube, it has got all sides equal. So it means this is our length, this is our length, this is our length, length. All the sides are equal. So for example, if you want to find the volume of the cube, say volume, which is the capacity. Volume is the capacity, or the space occupied by an object. So volume is equal to, you multiply L times L, the three sides. So L times L, right? So volume is equal to what? L cube. So this is the formula for the volume of the cube. Clear? Don't forget, the formula for the volume of the cube is given by this. Then we go to what we call the total surface area for the cube. A total surface area. Total surface area for the cube. Yeah. So if you want to find the total surface area, since this cube, in fact, it has got 6 sides. In short, it has got six-sided. So, for example, this is the rectangle. I mean, this is a square. The square is a square. So this side here, one part here on top is a square. So we have about 6 parts of the square. So this is our length, our length. So to find the total surface area, which means we need to multiply this area for 1 multiplied by 6. So the total surface area of the cube is given by, so total surface area is equal to 6L squared. So this is the formula for the total surface area of the cube. Are together? So don't forget the formula, very important, this formula. So this is a cuboid. As you can see, we have length here, L, we have breadth here, and height here. So this is a cuboid. So our volume will be, volume is equal to L times B times H. So volume is equal to LBH. This is a volume for the cuboid. When they say find the total surface area is equal to, so you do this. You say open bracket, if the shape is covered, open bracket, LB plus BH plus LH. This is a volume for the total surface area of the cuboid. 2 open bracket, LB plus BH plus LH. Yes. So LB plus BH plus LH. This is a formula for the total surface area. Are together?
Yes.
Sometimes this shape can be changed. The shape can change in simple term. They can do this. Exam. They can try to manipulate it. They can make it like a coffin. You know coffin?
Yes.
Coffin like this. It's like this. On top here, they do like this. They design like this. All together. Then now, they do like this on top there. This is a coffin. Then now, they tell you to find maybe the volume. All together. So as you can see, this part here, this part is what is a part of, it's like a cylinder. A cylinder. So this part to cut it here, it will be like the part which is above here. All together. So this is half of. So this part on top is half of a cylinder. All together. So what we need to know is the volume of the cuboid, the total surface area, the area of the total surface area of the cube, and also the volume. So don't forget this formula, very important. Then we go to the circle. On top of the circle, this is diagram of a circle. As you can see, we have the radius here, R. So to get this radius plus another radius, we have diameter. Not together. So radius plus radius is 2R, which is same as the diameter. Are together? Good. So on top of the circumference, the perimeter of the circle, we call it circumference. So sometimes they can say find the length of the circle, or find the perimeter of the circle, or find the circumference of the circle. It's just same. Perimeter is same as the circumference, is same as the length of the perimeter. So the circumference of a circle is calculated using the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which means we have 2 radius. So 2 pi r or pi d, because this d means that we have r plus r, which is 2r, which is the same as the diameter. So if one find the perimeter of the circumference of the circle, use the formula circumference equal to 2 pi r. This is pi. In fact, the pi is a constant number. And say on the calculator, it's equivalent or equal to 22 over 7. So in decimal place, in decimals, you see 3.1442. Are together?
Yes.
Good. So the formula for the area of the circle is given by the formula area is equal to pi r square. This is a formula for the area. So when they say find the area of the circle, this is the formula. When they say find the circumference of the perimeter, the formula is circumference equal to 2 pi r or pi g. All together?
Yes.
Good. Then now we go to sector and segment. So as you can see, this part here, the shaded part here is the same. Even this part, example, this is a circle. Do like this. We try to draw it here. Okay, the remaining part like this. My drawing will be very bad like this. This also, since this is not a complete circle, this is also called a A sector, because it's a part of incomplete circle. It's also called a sector. So sometimes they can ask you, find the area of this shape. So this is a sector as well. Are together? Good. Then the sector, this is a sector as well. Then the part here, this line is called chord. This line is called chord. But some Tonga people say chord. It's called chord, eh? Chord. So this part here is called the segment. The segment. Are together? The part here is called segment. The shaded part here. So I have a chord. Then here I have what? A triangle with radius and the angle here together. Then now this part is called the segment. Clear? Then this part, distance from here to here, this part here, this distance from here to here, this distance is called the arc length. It's called what? The arc length. Clear? The distance from here to here is called the arc length, this part. Or from here to here is called arc length. Don't forget. So now, if you want to find the area of the sector, example, if you want to find the area of the sector, example, this sector, this is a sector. This sector, if you want to find the area of the sector, so it's the area is equal to, you can say theta degree or x degree over 360 times pi r squared. So this is a formula for finding the area of this sector. So this is the angle given here, not together. Then times over 360, I mean then times pi r squared. Then if one find the arc length, this length, example, this length from here to here, this length. If one find the length here, this length, you say arc length is equal to theta again over 360 times 2 pi r, like this. This is our radius, even here radius all together. So if one find the arc length, this length, use the formula. Arc length is equal to theta, which is the angle given here, this angle, over 360 times 2 pi r. Are together? Good. Then the area of the sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. So don't forget the formulas under set. It's very important. Are together? Good. The next part is the cylinder. So the cylinder is made up of this rectangle plus the two circles. So this circle comes this side like this, to be like this, and the other circle comes this side like this. So as you can see, the cylinder is made up of what? The rectangle and two circles. Right? So and this is the height of the cylinder. Right? So if you want to find the volume of the cylinder, we say volume is equal to pi r squared height, which means the area of the circle times the height. Clear? So if you want to find the curved surface area, which means the part which is outside, right? The curved surface area minus the circle together, which means we say is 2 pi r h. So the formula for the curved surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. 2 pi radius height. So multiply 2 times pi times radius times the height. This is a curved surface area. The curved surface area. Are together? Curved surface area, which means this part excluding the what? The circle. Are together?
Yes.
Good. The open part, the hollow part, the hollow, which means the outside part exclude the two circles. Then now the total surface area, the complete cylinder now, including the circles, we call it a total surface area is equal to, so we get the curved surface area plus the two circles. So we say 2 pi RH plus two circles, which is 2 pi r squared. Because this is a formula for the circle, one circle, then times 2 of 2 circles, then plus the what? The curved surface area. So you add. So this is a formula for the total surface area. So when they ask you to find the total surface area, you use this formula. Then when they ask you to find the curved surface area, this formula. Then the volume is pi r squared height. This one about cylinders. So we have an example here. The question reads: a closed cylinder has a height 5 centimeters and the diameter of base 10 centimeters. Calculate its curved surface area. So what the formula for curved surface area? Solution. Question A. What the formula for the curved surface area?
2 pi RH.
So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Then you substitute. So 2 times pi is what? It's not given, which means you can use 3.142 times radius. What's the radius in the question?
If the diameter is 10 and half of the diameter is...
So since they say that the diameter is 10. So now the half of the diameter is radius side. So it divides. So 10 divided by 2. So it is 5. So I'm going to put 5 here. Times what the height? The height is what? Is 5 again. Clear? So you say the answer is multiply. What's the answer? 57.1, a good centimeter squared. This is the area. So this is the curved surface area. Good. The question B, its total surface area. So again with the formula, we say total surface area is equal to, what's the formula? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r h. I mean 2 pi r squared. Yes. Good. So like this. Then now we substitute here. So here we'll get 2 times pi is 3.142 times 5 times 5. Then plus. You can do this if you want. Plus again here 2 times what is pi? 3.142 times radius is 5 squared. You can do this as well. Good. All together?
Yes.
Good. So what is the answer here is what? Is 157.1 plus So let's punch here now. 2 times 3.142 times 5 squared.
Is 157.1.
So the answer is 157.1. Then you add. So the answer is 3142.2 centimeter squared. As a final answer. 314. Okay, 314. Not 2. Okay, 0.2 is here. Okay, good. So 314.2 centimeter squared. Clear? Then go to question Go to question C. Its volume. So find the volume. So it's a volume, question C, question B. Volume V is equal to pi r h pi r squared, eh? Pi r squared h, eh? Good. So our pi is 3.142 times what's our radius? Is 5 squared times height 10, eh?
Yes.
10. No, our height is 5 again. 5, eh? So you multiply 3.142 times 5 squared times 5. What's the answer? 392.75 centimeter cubic. So volume is cubic, eh? So this is a final answer for the volume. Hope the solutions are very much clear. The handwriting not very good, I know. This is what the handwriting about doctors have time. Good. Then we go to the cone. The cone, to the cone, to the cone. So this is a diagram of a cone. As you can see, we have the radius here, and here, we can try to draw the simple demonstration here. I'll do like this. So this form a 90 degree. Together, so this is my height, this is my radius, like this. All together? Mm-hmm. Good. So there is a 90 degree. Clear? Then this S stands for the slant height. The slant height. As you can see, we have two heights here. This the perpendicular height and the slant height. The slant height. This is slant height. Same as this one. This is perpendicular height. This is slant height. The slant height. Mm-hmm. And when we form a right angle triangle, this will be our hypotenuse. The other side and the other side. That's what can be opposite to adjacent. Yeah. So this is the hypotenuse. Good. So now I've got the formula for the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone is given by 1/3 pi r squared h. This is a formula for the volume of the cone. Together? Mm-hmm. So I have 1/3 times pi times r squared times the height. Don't get the slant height to get the perpendicular height, the height. Altogether? Yes. Then when they say the curved surface area for the cone, the curved surface area. So this is a formula for the volume. Now, if they want us to find the curved surface area, the curved surface area is equal to, which means this part excluding the bottom part here, which is the circle here. So we can say is pi r s. This S stands for the what? The slant height. So the curved surface area is pi r s. All together. Then now the total surface area is equal to, so which means we add the area of the circle plus the curved. So which means say pi r squared plus pi r s. This is a formula for the total surface area of the cone. Add together. Yes. Then now we go to the example. Find the volume of the pyramid with rectangular base of sides by and height. So the question reads, find the volume of the pyramid with rectangular base. So don't forget that the formula for the volume of any pyramid is given by 1/3 times base area times the height. So which means 1/3 times the base here, the base supposed to be base area here, the base area. So the base area, since it's a rectangle, so multiply 5 times 3. So 5 times 3, then times the height, which is 10. So you multiply on the calculator. What does? So multiply 5 times, which is 50? 50. So it is 50 centimeter cubic.
Yes.
The final answer. So this is example 1, example 2 here. Then example 2. Example 2. Hope it's clear. Example 2, example 2. Example 2, they're saying that a cone has a height, so I'll try to draw a cone. A cone has a height of, this height is 8 here, and circular base of radius, so of radius here 6 centimeters. Okay. Calculate its slant height. So they want to find this height here. Are together? Which means we're going to use Pythagoras theorem, right? Which says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. A squared is x, right? So x squared is equal to b squared is what? 8 squared plus 6 squared, right? So x squared is what? It's 64 plus 36, right? So x squared is what? 100. Square root, eh? So our x is equal to 10 centimeters. So our question A, the slant height is this one is 10 centimeters. All together? All together?
Yes.
Good. Then the next question is demanding us to find what? Its volume. So the volume of the cone. So question B, the volume. So volume, what's the formula for volume?
1/3
1/3 pi r squared times hi. Good. So we say volume is equal to 1/3 times pi is 3.142 times radius is 6 here. The radius is 6 here. Okay. So I have 6 squared times the height 8. Don't forget, we need to get the perpendicular height, right? And not the slant height. So our volume is equal to, the answer on the calculator is 3016.3632. Okay, so volume is equal to, we can put the answer as correct to 3 significant figures, right? So you count 1, 2, 3. So the 6 more than 5, so add the 1 here. So it will be 302 centimeter cubic. Okay? Good. Then they wanted to find the caved surface area. The caved surface area. So the caved surface area, which is question C. Caved surface area. So you say caved surface area is equal to, okay, all right. From this to space, question C. So caved surface area is equal to, what is the formula for the caved surface area? Pi r s.
Yes.
Good. So pi is 3.142 times, what's the radius?
6.
And slant height? 10. The one that I've calculated here. All together?
Yes.
Yes, 10, eh? Good. So now multiply. What's the answer? 188.52. So the answer is, we count correct to 3 significant figures. So you count 1, 2, 3. So add 1 here. So to be 189 centimeter squared as the final answer. Clear?
Yes.
Good. The last part for today is the first term. So talk about the first term, they're saying that if the top of a pyramid or cone is cut off, by a long plane parallel to the base. The remaining figure or part is called the frustum. For example, this was a complete cone. So after cutting it, the remaining part is called the frustum. Even this one is a cone, complete cone. So after the top part was cut, the remaining part is called what to call? It's a frustum. Right? Good. So we have two parts of the frustum for the 12 level, which is the frustum of the cone and the frustum of the pyramid. So this one can be a square or a rectangular form. Are together? Yes. This one can be in a square form or rectangular form. This one in form of a cone. Are together? Good. So now, how do you find the volume of this part, which is the part which has been cut, the remaining part? So there's one simple formula that you can use in, where you say, for this part, the volume, as you can see, the coin has got the aspect of the sec, right? So volume is equal to, where now we say 1 over 3 pi h, then like this, then we say the r squared plus the r squared plus r small r. So in short, here we're multiplying. So here we are adding the, so what I'm trying to say that this is a big r, the big radius, and this is small radius. So you get this radius, bigger radius, put it here, clear? Then the small radius again is quite, then now you multiply the big radius times the smaller radius, then you add together. This is a first formula on this part. Or if you want, what you can do, you can say volume is equal to, you write a formula for the cone, which is the bigger cone here, the bigger cone, this bigger cone, which says the formula is 1 over 3 pi, use big R here, squared, then big height here, then minus, altogether, minus the volume also for the small cone, the part which was cut, which is 1 over 3 again here, pi, now use small r squared and small height here. Clear? Yes. Which means when try to complete the cone here on top there, try to complete the cone, which means here we have another cone. We are going to have the height here on top, height there, and the radius, the height from here to here will be radius. Then for the bigger cone, we're going to have the distance from here up to here as big H. So small radius is from here to here, bigger radius from here to here. Then the largest height is from this end to the top there. So it means the bigger, the capital letter H, then this small letter H from here to here together. So small letter H and capital letter H are together. Don't forget, we have small radius, bigger height, small height. Even here we're going to do the same. We can say the distance, so we have a small height here, and from here to here, bigger height. All together? Good. So these are the two formulas. But if you want, you can use one formula. There's no problem. No problem. You can use one or this one. You get the same answer. We'll try to do some more questions and more examples in the next video. Then if okay, so another shape here, which is the pyramid, right? So again here, so you can say volume of the frustum is equal to 1 over 3 H here, area 1 plus area 2 plus the root of area 1 times area 2. This is also another formula for the volume of the pyramid, frustum pyramid. So 1 over 3 height So how to find the area 1? So it means you find the area of the base. So example, like multiply this times this. All together. Then area 2 is multiply this times this. So here we have area 1, then area 2. So you find this area, this times this plus this times this. So the area is L times B. Again, L times B. You multiply this times this, you find the area 1. And area 2, you multiply this times that. This is how you find the areas. Clear? Or other formula, if you want, you can go for this one as well. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 BHL minus 1 over 3. Okay, can use calculator here. B, okay, let me write here. So volume is equal to 1 over 3 L B H minus 1 over 3 smaller L B H. So it means the volume of the bigger flash stamp before it was cut minus the part which was cut. Good. So this is a formula also for the volume of the flash stamp. For now, in this video, I can end here since I've given you all the formulas. So the next video will be examples. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like the page.